What's up, guys? Welcome back. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and check out this 1994 Chevy Silverado. It's got a nice front clip, ungraded headlights, aftermarket wheels, US mags on it, 144,000 miles, nice interior, full sound system. The bed on this one's been completely done, very clean. We have detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. We have financing available, and of course I can ship this anywhere in the country. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post American muscle cars and you know, just classic American made products. So if you don't mind, hit subscribe, share this video, that helps me out. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, let's check this thing out. Place your bets. You think the horn works? Start her up. Shut the door. Check the windows. They roll up good. They got great tint. Front window has been tinted as well. It's all the same all the way around. Stereo system in here looks awesome. It's huge. Takes up the whole back seat. Couple amps on top. Headliner, very clean. Visors look good too. Across the dash, it's not cracked up. Also clean, along with the seats. I mean, they practically look new. Armrest here is broken. It's just kind of flopping around there. This one works good. Console. More cup holders in the back there. AC, blowing cold. Wipers work. Tilt. Yep. And we'll show you the gauges here. Call them back up a little bit. Try the radio, I'm sure. Let's see what we got. Radio.
Oh, someone did. That's why I use Upside. Upside? What's that? It's
got that crazy stereo system. I kind of want to play something. Let's see. Oh, that's definitely working. You can hear a lot of bass. There's a bass knob on the dash there. Horns, you place your bets? Sensitive. Gas gauge is below a quarter tank. Let's stop off, get some fuel, see how she runs and drives. Okay, so we're getting ready to take off here. Nice and cool. The AC working. Let's go ahead and hit the road. Here to back out. Of course, anything I see in these test drives, I'll let you know. This is my first time taking this down the road. Every vehicle that I get in, I do this. I try to make it, you know, the first time taking it down the road, just to give you an honest review. I mean, that's all it's about. Make sure you know everything before you get this vehicle. I know we need some gas. All the gauges look pretty good. Got good oil pressure. Engine temperature's looking good. Decent mileage for the year. I know we're all family here. My uncle's been driving this for about a week or so, just because he enjoys the truck. He just has too many cars. He doesn't need everything. All right. A lot of police passing by. Y'all see that? Here we go. Really comfortable in here. As far as going down the road, straight as an arrow, tight steering. Running good. Flip my bag over on the floor. Brakes are feeling good. That's what I was checking. I know the gas gauge is working inside a quarter tank that's floating around, so technically we don't need to go to the gas station today. Not in this one. He's been driving it too. let him stop later on and get some on the way home. I bet you he drives this one home. Turn signal's working on both sides. I'm just gonna get a few outside shots on this one and head back, do the picking out the flaws segment, looking for chips, scratches, dings, anything I can find. And of course we're gonna get an undercarriage shot here in the slow motion. Look below in the description, see all the stuff I use to make these videos, and I'll be right back. All right, picking out the flaws. We're gonna walk around this ride looking for chips, scratches, any kind of dings, rust, whatever there is. You'll know about it. 100 detailed pictures inside, out, and underneath. MapleMotors.com. Let's get started. Coming around the front. Chips on this front bumper. A couple little chips here below the lights. On there. Some dirt up here. Some of it's peeling a little bit. And down the lower portion of the doors, they're looking good. Nice and clean. Little spot there in the paint. It's like they took the emblem off here. A little glue left over. See it kind of coming off. Little spot there on the edge of the door. Mirrors in good shape. Pillar looks good. Front window nice and clean, blacked out. Same with these windows here. They don't look bad at all. Little spot there on the roof. Back window looks great. Oh, little scuff here. I think that can come out though. It's like just a little surface scratch. A few little scuffs on top of the bed rails. They look like they can come off too. You turn the edge, the straps. Coming up on the back, dual exhaust. Rear bumper's got a few scuffs. Scratches up top here. The bed on this one looks great. Coming down this side, lower portion. A little dent here at the bottom of the door. Chip there. Blemish here. Coming back to midsection. Little scuff there. Tiny. Chips there. Chips right there. Coming back over the top here. Little scuff. Little scuff there. Back window looks good on this side. They blacked out the light on top too. Same thing, pulled the emblem off right here. This truck is in awesome shape. Little looks like bug guts up there. I think that'll come off. Front windshield on this side, I'm not seeing any chips. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. Check out the inside. We'll get her started up. Door looks good. Bottom of that door's in good shape. See the carpet's got a little wear right there on the edge, but I think it could be cleaned up. All your plastic looks nice. You got some upgraded kick panels here for some speakers. Hold on 2 seconds. There we go. Humongous speaker box in the back here. The seat looks great. It's not wore out. Still cold AC. Motor's just quiet as it can be. Oh, we got some spider webs over here. Get all that out. I think something got hot right here. I don't know what it was. Something was laid on there, it looks like. How it came down. Insulation looks good up under the hood. Little chips on those edges. Coming down with the hood. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, share this video. You can also go to maplemotors.com, look at all of our inventory. We update with new rides every Monday, 10 to 15 vehicles. And I don't plan on stopping. Helps me out quite a bit if you hit subscribe, sharing this video. And again, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.